Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. If you want to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar, you can follow some major steps. First, open the Roblox website on your browser. Once the site loads, make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have an account, you will need to sign up and create one. On the left panel, you will find different options. Here, click on Avatar from the left panel. You will find your avatar along with the recent features you added. Scroll down and you will find more features that you recently added. You will see the tick mark on the feature that is added to the avatar. If you want to remove it, simply click on the tick in that box. For example, if you want to remove my fashion pizza shirt, click on the tick in the fashion pizza shirt box. On your avatar, you will see that your shirt is removed. If you want to remove the hair, you can click on the tick of the hair box to remove it. Now it will remove the hair from your avatar. Similarly, I wanted to remove the black jeans, so I clicked on the black jeans box to remove them. You can see the removal of this clothing on your avatar, shown on the left side. Scroll up and see more features that you have used. By following these easy steps, you can easily remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.